Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cal. In this video today, I'm gonna show you how to create ebook in 10 minutes. A lot of people don't know how to create ebook. So in this video today, I'm gonna show you step-by-step process on how you can create your own ebook in just 10 minutes. Subscribe to my channel if it's the first time of visiting my channel. Subscribe to my channel, then turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my videos, because I'll be uploading profitable videos like this one that you're about to watch. And if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you for coming back to check what I have. So what I'm going to show you is step by step. You can do this with your phone. You can also do this with your PC, which is laptop or desktop. Okay, if you don't have a laptop, you can use your smartphone to do that. Okay, so I will be showing you step-by-step guide on how you can create ebook in just 10 minutes. Okay, let me go to my screen right now. Alright guys, like I promised that I will show you how to create ebook in 10 minutes. Okay, that's what I'm going to show you, step-by-step process. Okay, how you can create your own ebook in 10 minutes using this great platform called Canva. Canva is a great platform where you can design anything you like. Okay, now what I'm going to do is to log in, but if you don't have an account with them, kindly click sign up to create an account with Canva. But I have an account, so I'm gonna log in right now. The next thing I'm gonna do is to search for ebook. Okay, search for ebook. These are ebooks. Okay, these are templates you can use to create your own ebook. Okay, let me select one here. I'll use this one. I'll click on it. It's gonna load right now. So guys, here you can edit anything you like here this, remember why you started. I'm gonna remove it and add my own text. Okay, I'll click on it, then I'll type how to create ebook in 10 minutes. How to create ebook in 10 minutes. Okay, good. So I'm gonna drag this one here. I'm gonna centralize it. Okay, how to create ebooks in 10 minutes. Then I can increase the size. Okay, so guys, the next thing I'm gonna do now is to remove this one here. It's out. All right, then remove this one and add my own name here. So to get a text, what I'm going to do now is to click here, text, then I'll select this subheading, I'll drag it place it here. All right, so I'll type my name as the author of the book. Good. You can see the text is black, so I'm going to change the color of this text now. All right, I'm going to change the color of this text. I'll click here, text color. I'll change it to white. Good. Then what I'm going to do now is to change the font. I'll click here, select this one. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to add my picture as the author of this book. So I'm going to add my picture right now. So to add a picture, what I'm going to do now is to go here, upload. I have pictures here already, but I'm going to show you how you can upload your own. So to upload your own picture, to click this upload media file, then you select it from your device, from Facebook, Google Drive, Instagram, Dropbox, or from your device. So I'll click here. I'm going to select it from here, but I don't want to select any other one here because I have pictures here. Okay, so I'm going to select this one, then drag it, place it here. Okay, this is it. So this is the cover of the ebook. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to start writing table of contents. All right, so to do that, what I'm going to do now is to click add page. This is another page. So I'm going to add a heading. I'll drag this heading here, put it here, then type table of contents. I'll reduce it. Good. Put it at the center. Good. I can change the font. Use this one. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do now. The next thing I'm going to do is to start adding those topics. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is to choose this subheading, place it here, then type introduction. Okay, add another one. First one is introduction. The second one, let me say benefits. So guys, from here you can start adding your own. Okay, I have two here. I have introduction, I have benefits. So I can add as many as I want. Okay, add as many as I want. All right, so after that, the next thing I'm going to do now is to add another page for introduction. Okay, then I'll now start typing. I'll add introduction here. Introduction. Okay, now select this, add a little bit of body text, select it. Okay, then let me just write something to show you how it works. I can just type I want to show you just be typing. Okay, then you can also add a subheading on your text. Okay, just drag it, put it here. Okay, then continue typing. So from there, when you finish that page, you can also add another page. Okay, I have page 1, page 2, page 3, and page 4. Okay, so after typing all the text I want, the last thing I'm gonna do now is to download this book. So to download this book, what I'm gonna do now is to click on this download button here. I click download. Okay, file type PDF standard, like this, 4 pages now. So PDF print. This PDF prints. If you want your customers to print your book, then you can go for PDF print. But if you want your customers to read this book only on PDF, then you can download this book using this PDF standard. So that is what I'm going to use now. So I'll click this PDF standard, then click this button that says download. Can you see that started downloading? Alright, look at it here. Good, 100%. So let me view this book now. I'll click here, then open. Good. Have you seen it? Have you seen the book now? So guys, this is how you can create your own ebook in 10 minutes. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Okay, because I'm uploading videos every week, profitable videos. Subscribe to my channel by hitting on the subscribe button, then turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any updates, because I'll be uploading videos every week. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share this video, go to comment section and comment I love this video. Share this video to your loved ones and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.